Okay, so how long will it take you to make a stable income from trading? We're gonna talk about that today coming up. Next. So to give you a proper answer, we are going to look at the time and laziness scale. Now, why do I put it as laziness instead of work ethic? Because most people are just lazy. But if you are really hardworking, then good for you, my friend. So when the scale goes up from here, y-axis means that you have a lot of time as the scale goes up. Then as the scale goes to the right x-axis, the more lazy you are. Now on the bottom left, people who are really driven, they are not lazy at all. They are hardworking. They are type A personalities. But there's one problem. They have 2 kids to feed, 2 dogs to feed, 2 cats to feed, and hence they have no time to learn how to trade. If you are somewhere in this scale, what you can do is that you can probably invest your funds with a good manager, or you can learn how to trade long term. And you should be trading the longer time frames, because when you're this really busy guy or girl, you have no time to monitor the charts. So what you can do is that you can become a good swing trader, position trader. And then how long is it going to take you to achieve a stable income? Because you're really busy and you're learning how to position trade, which means that you need to learn fundamentals, take into account all of those things. Let's give in an approximate number, 3 to 5 years, because it takes the average trader 3 years how to learn trading, including backtesting on demo and all those things, okay? And also making those mistakes, stupid mistakes yourself, which we all make when we first start out as a trader. When you have no time but you have determination to make it in trading, you still have hope. But if you have no time, your no time is probably, okay, because weekend I need to go out to shopping, okay, I deserve it. I work so hard from Monday to Friday. No amount of resources can help somebody who is just freaking lazy. Those people, you know who I'm talking about. When you have no time and you are lazy as shit, it is not your fault at all, my friend, because you are born that way, coming from a person who was a previous game addict. Nobody can help you, including me. So it's gonna take you infinite amount of time. Infinite! In your whole entire lifetime, you will never see a single cent in your trading career. Don't pursue trading, because when you're coming into this industry, you are competing with some of the most hardworking, most driven people in the world. My advice to you, find a sugar daddy, sugar mommy, marry them. That's it, your life is set. Now with that said, if you are lazy as shit, okay, but the thing is, you have a lot of time, okay? When you have so much time on your hands, you would have so much time to reflect. What the heck am I doing in my life? Just sitting on the couch all day doing nothing. You have a lot of time to reflect because you have no job, you have nothing to do in your whole entire life. You are just living in your mom's basement, typing on your keyboard, telling successful people they are worthless, they are a piece of shit, when they forgot to look themselves in the mirror. When you have a lot of time, you're gonna work on your laziness, if that even makes any sense. Let's say if you're so lazy that you study 1 hour a month, and then you'll be like, I've worked so hard, Karen, I study 1 hour a month. Good for you, my friend. Then maybe it's gonna take you 5 to 10 years before you can make it in trading, before you can see a consistent income coming from trading, because you're just this lazy pig. Like if you're retrenched, you're out of work, you're a housewife, you have nothing to do for the whole entire day. Work on your shit. I've never seen a successful person in this world who made it up there by working when they feel like it. If you're somewhere right here, my friend, you are in the best position ever. You have all this time in the world, you're out of school, you've graduated, your boss fired you, good, then now I can work on my business. Screw you, stupid boss. You think if you have a lot of time and you just put in the hours every single day you wake up and then you just grind. No matter how you feel, you wake up early, you're up early, and then you're grinding all day. I would say it will take you about 1 to 3 years. I've seen traders, because they learn from the right kind of people, they work hard during their free time, they can make it within 1 year. But will it be easy? No, because it's a lot of hard work. Sometimes you gotta work on Saturdays, Sundays, just like being your own boss. You gotta work on holidays, you gotta backtest a lot, you gotta study a lot. So at the end of the day, I don't want you to have this misconception that, okay, the more hours I put in, the faster that I'll become successful, because you gotta work hard, but then you also gotta work smart. Because if you learn from the wrong places, you know those traders on internet who will be like you know, I just turned $100 to $1,000, $2,000 within one day. And then you check the background, and then it's like, have you even stepped into a trading floor? Nope, I'm self-taught, I'm a prodigy. Then you ask them, do you know any professional traders? Yeah, you learn from all these jokers on the internet. Maybe it's gonna take you longer, but if you learn from people who know what they're talking about, then you can progress faster. And then whether you apply the knowledge or not, because I know a lot of people, they buy courses after courses, book after book after book. Then you see them in every single seminar. Like you just see them again and again and again. They only focus on the input, taking in the knowledge, but when it comes to applying what they learn, they don't apply. Learning is easier than applying and then making mistakes, right? So if you're thinking of quitting your job right now, don't do that first. You gotta watch this video, okay, before you take the leap of faith. So with that, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.